Hello students, welcome to my channel. If you are preparing for any competitive examination, then this video is for you. Today we are going to revise important current affairs from 8th of April to 14th of April. Let's start. Jindal Stainless appointed whom as first brand ambassador? Correct answer is Ranveer Singh. Next question. In April 2026, the Wisden Cricketers Almanac announced its leading cricketers in the world for the year 2025, which Indian female all-rounder was conferred with this prestigious global honor. Correct answer is Deepti Sharma. Next question. The ninth edition of the India Pharma Conference recently concluded in New Delhi. Which specific union ministry is responsible for organizing this event through its Department of Pharmaceuticals? Correct answer is Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. Next question. On April 15, 2026, Samrat Chaudhary made a history by becoming the first leader from the Bharatiya Janata Party to be sworn in as the Chief Minister of which Indian state? Correct answer is Bihar. Next question. In April 2026, the prominent fintech firm Cash Free Payments announced a top level executive appointment who has been named the new chief financial officer of the company. Correct answer is Samir Gandhi. Next question. In its April 2026 World Economic Outlook, the IMF upgraded India's GDP growth projection for financial year 27 by how many percentage points was the estimate raised compared to the January 2026 forecast? Correct answer is 0.1 percent points. Next question. In 2026, Puthandu is observed on April 14th. By what other name is this traditional Tamil New Year festival commonly referred to in the state of Tamil Nadu? Correct answer is Bagusha Pirapu. Next question. In a significant initiative to enhance public access to scientific knowledge, an AI-based platform named Saral AI is being developed to convert complex research publication into simplified social media content across multiple Indian languages. Which organization is developing the Saral AI platform? Correct answer is Anusadhan National Research Foundation. Next question. The first edition of the Indian Navy Commanders Conference for the year 2026 commenced on 14th April 2026. At which specific location was this high-level strategic conference inaugurated? Correct answer is Nau Sena Bhavan, New Delhi. Next question. In April 2026, the Indian Army undertook its first ever blue water sailing expedition as a part of a significant regimental milestone celebration. What is the name of this expedition? Correct answer is Samudra Sahas. Next question. The Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare recently launched a mobile application to streamline clinical workflows, which premier research body in India was responsible for the development of this application. Correct answer is Indian Council of Medical Research. Next question. What was India's retail inflation rate in March 2026? Correct answer is 3.4%. Next question. The E-Safe Her initiative is anchored under which specific program of the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology? Correct answer is Information Security, Education and Awareness. Next question. Which Kurdish politician and former environment minister was elected as the new president of Iraq? Correct answer is Nizar Ahmedi. Next question. Which state police force became the first in India to develop an arrival tool named Narit AI to assist in the investigation of narcotics cases? Correct answer is Gujarat Police. Next question. Who won the 2026 Monte Carlo Masters title? Correct answer is Jannik Sinner. Next question. Who has been appointed as the next director of Mossad? Correct answer is Roman Goffman. Next question. India showcased a strong performance at the Asian Wrestling Championship 2026, finishing second in the team standings with a significant medal haul. How many total medals did India win in the tournament? Correct answer is 17 medals. Next question. The International Union for Conservation of Nature officially changed the status of the emperor penguin in its red list of threatened species. What is the new conservation status of the species? Correct answer is endangered. Next question. Union Defense Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated the 3-day Unnat Krishi Mahotsav. In which specific district of Madhya Pradesh was this festival organized? Correct answer is Raisen. Next question. Indian wrestler Meenakshi Goyat secured a silver medal at the Asian Wrestling Championship 2026. In which city and country was this prestigious continental tournament hosted? Correct answer is Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan. Next question. The Commonwealth Parliamentary Association India Region Zone 7 conference was recently concluded in April 2026. Which state legislature served as the host for this 3-day event? Correct answer is Goa. Next question. What was the theme of World Parkinson's Day 2026? Correct answer is Bridge the Care Gap. Next question. India delivered a strong performance at the Asian Boxing Championship 2026, finishing second in the medal tally while achieving the highest overall medal count. How many total medals did India win in the tournament? Correct answer is 16 medals. Next question. Which organization will anchor the proposed Skills Outcomes Fund under the aegis of the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship? Correct answer is National Skill Development Corporation. Next question. Who has been appointed as the Chief Advisor in the Department of Expenditure? Correct answer is Anand Kumar Pal. Next question. In financial year 25-26, which institution became India's largest urban cooperative bank by crossing the 1 lakh crore total business mark? Correct answer is Saraswat Cooperative Bank Limited. Next question. Who was appointed as the chairman and a managing director of Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited following approval by the Appointments Committee of the Cabinet? Correct answer is Sanjay Khanna. Next question. Former Indian cricketer C.D. Gopinath, who passed away in March 2026, was associated with a historic milestone in Indian cricket history. He was the last surviving member of which achievement? Correct answer is India's first test match win against England in 1962. Next question. The second edition of Run Samvad, a try service held recently. What was the theme of this seminar? Correct answer is multi-domain operations and imperative for addressing conventional and irregular threats. Next question. The eighth edition of Poshan Pakhwada was launched to promote awareness about nutrition and early childhood development across India. What is the theme of Poshan Pakhwada 2026? Correct answer is maximizing brain development in the first 6 years of life. Next question. The National Highways Authority of India launched the Arogya One initiative. What is the primary thematic focus of these plantations along the national highways? Correct answer is medicinal tree species to support biodiversity and microfauna. Next question. The World Bank revised India's growth forecast for the current financial year. What is the updated percentage growth projected by the bank, and what were the primary reasons cited for this upward revision? Correct answer is 6.6%. Strong domestic demand and recent free trade agreements. Next question. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs has approved the Kamla hydroelectric project in Arunachal Pradesh to enhance power generation capacity and support flood moderations. What is the installed capacity of this project? Correct answer is 1720 megawatt. Next question. World Homeopathy Day is observed globally on April 10. What is the specific theme designated for the observance of World Homeopathy Day in the year 2026? Correct answer is Homeopathy for Sustainable Health. Next question. Who was appointed as the Deputy Prime Minister and the Minister of National Defense of the Socialist Republic of Vietnam? Correct answer is General Pham Van Giang. Next question. For Kalai second hydroelectric project, which specific amount has been sanctioned by the government of India? Correct answer is 750 crore. Next question. Indian shooters Palak Gulia and Mukesh Nelavali recently created a new junior world record at the ISSF World Cup Rifle. In which event did they win the gold medal? Correct answer is 10-meter air pistol mixed team. Next question. In the latest bi-monthly monetary policy announced in April 2026 by the Reserve Bank of India, the Monetary Policy Committee decided to keep key policy rates unchanged. What is the current bank rate? Correct answer 5.50%. Next question. Mission Mitra, launched in April 2026, is an initiative aimed at studying human performance under extreme conditions similar to space. Which organization launched this mission? Correct answer is ISRO. Next question. The second edition of the report, From Borrowers to Builders, Women and India's Evolving Credit Market, released under the aegis of the Niti Aayog, provides key insights into women's participation in India's credit ecosystem. Which of the following organizations developed this report? Correct answer is TransUnion, CIBIL, and Microsafe Consulting. Next question. Which IAS officer assumed charge as Secretary of the Department of Chemicals and Petrochemicals under the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers? Correct answer is Tejveer Singh.